Yo, what's up? It's Millionaire Hoy, and today we have a 15-minute fat-burning cardio pyramid workout. The way this workout is going to work is we're going to go from 20 seconds of work and go up incrementally, 30 seconds, up all the way to 60, and then back down to 20. We have 3 pyramids that we're going to push through, so we're going to have very, very quick workout, but I'm telling you, this is going to be a scorcher. Go ahead and put a big old right, you see smiling at face, get a quick sip of water, and we're going to go right into this with our 20-second interval, starting off with a jack. So, just jacking it out and bringing it to the front. In and out. We're gonna push for about 2,000 steps today. So go at a nice tempo. And if you need to, you see those modifications up above. In between each round, we're gonna go for a base step. So we're gonna keep moving non-stop. 10 seconds, step it out. From here, we're going up to 30 seconds. 30-second move is gonna be a side B jab sprint. So left diagonal, sprint it out. Let's go. Sprint for 8. To the right. Diagonal, come on. Up. Locking that core. Come on. Right to the right. Two jabs on each side. Give me that base step, come on. From here, we're going up to 45 seconds with a relay sprint. We know this move, we're gonna tap the floor for 3, come up, sprint for 8. Good energy, come over to the right. Let's go, tap, 1, 2, turn, 3, up, sprint for 8. And over, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Fire up through that core. We're going for maximum fat burn in just 15 minutes. Are we in this now? Come on, 3 taps. Base step. All right, we're going to the highest part of the pyramid, 60 seconds. We're going for a 3-station high knee. So we're gonna jog, high knee, highest knee, back over. Let's go, jog fade. Hop to the center, high knees. Bring those knees up just a little bit higher. And over, knees as high as they can come. Come on, right back to the high knee. And jog. Come on, back to high knee. Get those abs engaged. Highest knee. Don't stump those feet though. We'll drive it up. Here comes that sweat. Jog. Come on, high knee. As high as you can get. Come on, back to high. We're gonna make it over to jog. Jog. Step it out. All right, we're going right back down to 45 seconds. Sagat Sprints. 4 knees over, sprint for 8. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, sprint. Other side. Drive. 2, 3, 4. Big breaths. Come on. Just 15 minutes. We're gonna make the most out of it. Come on, one more over. 4, 3, 2, 1, sprint. Base step, we're going for 30 seconds. Kiddie Sprints. Butt kick with a jumping jack. Come on. Bring it up. Keep those heels up high, swing those arms up high. Kind of open up the lungs here so we can get some breath. Just a little bit. There we go, have some fun. Put a smile on your face. Step it out. Come on. From here, half juggler sprint. Knee, knee, heel, heel. Just 20 seconds. We're going to our second pyramid right here. Come on. Yeah. Push. Tap those heels each time. It's just 20 seconds. Come on, we've been pushing through this challenge. We're getting better with our cardio. Even if we struggle, we're improving by the day. Step it out. We're going 30 seconds. Get a quick sip. Side to side, fast, low tap under. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, over, tap. Come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, over. Slow, 1, 2, 3, 4, over. Come on, woo! Body can get a little confused. Nice, from here. Side to side, try, jack, cross, tap. So, 3 jacks over, diagonal tap. We're going 1, 2, 3, bring it over. Tap diagonal, back, and hop. Come on, bring it across. Get those legs involved. Yeah. Balance. There we go. Yeah. Yes. Come on. I'm gonna get one more tap to keep it even. All right, highest part of the pyramid. We're going up to half whole front to back jugglers. Come to the center. We're going half towards the left. Hold, forward, bring it forward, fade. And back. Left, right, sorry. Over, forward. Come on. Come on, back. Halfway there, elevate speed. Come on, forward. Just a little quicker. Back. Left. Yeah. Come on, we pushing. Yeah. Bring it back. Breathe it out. Nice. From here, side to side, push off pedals. 1, 2, 3, 4, pedal speed. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, pedal. 2, 3, 4, over. Yeah. Coming back down off that pyramid. Yeah. Woo! Hot feet. 2, 3, 4, come on. Push from that chest. Locking that core right here. For push, 1, 2, 3, 4, step it out. All right, still moving here, from here. We got lateral sprints, 30 seconds. Bring it over. Yeah, pick those knees up. Come on. Yeah, side to side. Yeah. Control through that core. Come on. Yeah. Hustle. Yeah. 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 There we go. Max fat burn, fam. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! All right, shooting star jacks. 2 jumping jacks, shoot it over. Let's go. 1, 2, and over. Your 20 seconds is our fire pyramid. Give me that acid. Come on, open up those lungs. Step it out, 30 seconds, 3-way sprints. So face to the left, forward, then right. Come on, hang in there. Let's go, sprint 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, to the front. To the right. Final pyramid, family, up. Turn. Forward. Turn. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All the way to the right. "45 seconds. Football drills. Follow my lead. We're gonna have plenty of fun. Base move's gonna be a pedal. So pedal, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 jacks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pedal. Bring it to the center. 8 jugglers. Let's go. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pedal. Over. 4 jumping jacks. Come on. Pedal. Over. High knees. Let's pedal forward. 4 jumping jacks. 4, 3, 2, 1. Pedal. Bring it back. Wide knees. 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pedal. 3, 4. Base step. Come on. We're going for our highest. Last pyramid. Sprinter drill. When it's tap. Come up for 2 sprints on each side. Then keep going up. Let's go. Tap up. 1, 2. Down. Tap up. 1, 2. Come on. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on. 6. How many can we get? 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on. Final pyramid. 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Come on, tap. 10. 12. Still keep pushing forward. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. Come on. Heart rate is up. 14. Tap. Step it out. We just got done with the highest part of our pyramid. Let's bring it back down. Walk it out. Front to back Ickey Sprints. 45 seconds. Let's go. 1, 2, knee. Side to side. Come on. Keep it on the good foot. Knee, 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 forward. Core. Sweat is flowing, just 15 minutes. Look what we're doing. Work. Just 2 more circuits, 2 more rounds after this. Pick that knee up, I know it's heavy. Step, 1 to 30. Speed jugglers. We'll increase the speed with time. Come on, juggler. Just 1 more move after this. A little faster. Just 30 seconds total. A little faster. The last 10 seconds, we're gonna go as fast as we can. A little faster. Pick it up. 3, 2, 1. As fast as you can. Hustle. Pick it up. Come on. Fast feet. Step it out. Last 20 seconds. High hand sprints. Then we're gonna base step it out. Hands in front. Come on. Just 20. Pick those knees up. Locking that core. Maximum fat burn. Come on. Your best is your best. 3, 2, 1. Base step. Just step it out here. Then we can get that fist bump. Bring it in. Boom! Fist bump. Way to rock it. Go for maximum fat burn in just 15 minutes. Legs scorch. Heart rate's up. Core got worked. And the mentality got built to keep on pushing through. Man, those pyramid rounds were something else. Let me know. What was your favorite or least favorite pyramid round down below in the comments? And you see it on the screen, but how many steps did we get? 2,367. So shout out to you all for bringing it. Let's keep bringing it throughout the day. Putting healthy food in our stomach, healthy things in our heart relationships, healthy things in our mind, mental health over every single thing else. Till we come back again tomorrow and crush it again. It's Millionaire Hoy. Take care and peace out.